Welcome back to my channel. I am Ruth. I'm here with another new video, how you can register with FLP. But before that, why you should register for FLP? One, if you want to place order of the products, and second, if you want to be a business partner. I would highly recommend you to go through the entire video to understand how you can register, because it is extremely simple process that you can do it by yourself. And let's get started now. Open a browser and type foreverliving.com. I have mentioned this in the description as well. Now go to join. You have to select your title and marital status. Write your first name and last name, but make sure this name should match with the KYC document or the government ID as well. Then go for email ID and give your mobile number. Make sure wherever there is a star after the required field, that is mandatory. So alternate mobile number is not mandatory. Still, you can give the information. Then type the password and the confirm password. Come down and see there is permanent address or your current address, you can give it. I highly recommend that you do it for yourself rather depending upon others to do it on your behalf. And here is the interesting thing. Choose your Forever Living product sponsor. If you do not have any sponsor, you can reach out to me. I have given that sponsor ID in the description, or you can contact me directly. After giving the sponsor ID, you will get their name and you can come down, click on I agree to FBO agreement and annexure, then click on submit. Through this, you have completed the registration process, which is free of cost. To join my team, you can contact me in the description that I have given. To watch such video, click on the bell icon to get further notification, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.